What's up, robots, androids, and other mechanoid beings? Reska here, and yeah, I've got another super Minipla. I kind of went a little crazy and got more of them. I kind of, I you would think I would have learned, but no. I'm a sucker for Voltron, a sucker for giant robots, and I couldn't resist picking this one up. Uh, this is the official US release. That's why it's got the DreamWorks, even though this is the traditional classic Voltron or Go Lion, if you want to go by that. In fact, this is in Japan, Go Lion. I believe they're sold individually. So this is another kind of repackaging for the US release. But right here, we have Voltron himself in all of his amazing glory here. Some works of some image of the model itself, Super Minipla model kit series. Picture of all the individual lions, which is pretty awesome that we get to see all of those. And some more of the caution. Same image on this side. And so yeah, let's go ahead and let's kind of take a closer look inside the box. So, inside the box, got a lot of packages and runners because they've kind of individualized, compartmentalized everything. So this is going to be another case where I don't really want to go into all the packaging because I'm worried they've labeled some of the runners the same, because in Japan, each line was sold individually. And as it's been pointed out many a times, these Super Minipla have enormous amounts of decals. And, whew, yeah, I'll probably end up using a lot of them. If I can and have the time, I'd like to paint up a few of them. But yeah, so here we have the F package. Have some pre-painted parts, which is nice, like the details on the head. But so many decals. And this is what you're going to see a lot of this. It's got a set of booklets for each of the lions, plus a booklet for forming Voltron. More. See, I think each of these are the different runners for the different lions that are this, very similar. You have the different. I know that you swap out the legs for the different sturdy parts on it. Yeah, see here are all the different colored runners for the different lions. More of these. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to go over each of these runners. There's just so many of them, and too many of them are similar. I'd like to kind of keep them separated and work through them properly. Yeah. So, just a quick unboxing. We'll take a look at the manuals, though. I don't mind breaking into those. So let me get those out and we'll look at those. So here's one of the first manuals. We got the actual black lion and its assembly. The assemblies are going to be pretty simplistic. These were basically candy toys in Japan. As much as I love what's coming out in the Super Minipla line, definitely need to look into getting different options for super robots. As I love Gundams. I absolutely adore Gundam in the entire series. But I have a big soft spot for the super robot stuff, like Voltron, Gal Geiger, Mazinger, Getter Robo, things of that nature. So, but yeah, so it's got all the walkthrough of the assembly and that. So, very similar for all the other ones, like the Red Lion, Green Lion, showing how they can equip the weapons. Blue Lion, which I know the legs, I believe, have two different headsets. the clip on them. So they have a head for the actual unit itself, and then you actually swap out the head when you're actually forming the leg itself. And that's going to be, of course, the same for the yellow line. But we also have the manual for actually transforming, which if you've seen the show, that's pretty straightforward, but all the parts and accessories for making Voltron itself. Yeah, quick unboxing video. Just wanted to let you know that I have this. It may be a while before I actually start putting it together, but I want to keep putting up regular videos on this channel. So yeah, thank you guys. See you again. Bye.